Namaste everyone. Welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today we're going to do yoga for winter. Let's welcome the winter with the winter yoga to keep ourselves nice and warm and healthy. Gently kneel down onto your knees. Bring your hands shoulder wide apart. And then raise your hips towards the ceiling. Make sure your feet about hip wide open. Now gently, nicely try and press your chest towards the ground. You can move one leg at a time to give nice stretch in one leg at once. It feels good. It will generate the body heat. Keep your body nice and warm as well as healthy. You can hold it for 30 seconds up to 1 minute. And then kneel down back and come onto your abdomen. Bring your forehead on the ground, hands under your shoulder, palm under your shoulder. Your hands, the elbows are tucking towards your body, feet about hip wide open. Inhale, push with your hands, lift your head up, shoulders up, chest up. Nicely arch your back, relax your shoulders and tuck your elbows by the side, head up. Exhale down. Now bend your knees. Hold with your hands, your ankles. And inhale. Pushing your head, legs away from your hands. Lift your head up. And just stay there. Breathe. Now, you can either go down and come back again. And this time you're lifting your legs higher up, away from the ground, and trying standing on your abdomen. Keep breathing. Keep your breathing remains normal. Exhale down. Go into hands on top of each other. Relax your forehead onto your hands. Give about 10 seconds. Then bring your hands under your shoulders once again. Push with your hands and go into the plank. 10 seconds. You can kneel down after 10 seconds, but if you can hold longer, it will be advisable. If you can hold longer, the longer you will hold, the warmer you will feel. So let's try holding this time for 20 seconds. Kneel down. Once again, this time you will hold for 30 seconds if possible. Otherwise, you can keep holding for 10 or 20 seconds. Good, come down and lie on your back. Bend your knees. You can hold with your hands is good, otherwise place your palm on the ground. And then inhale, lifting your hips up, higher, higher. Keep adjusting, make sure your shoulders are touching the ground. Your neck remains nice and relaxed. And then if you can, bring your hands under your back and support your back, that would be good. And also bring your back slightly higher so that the blood circulation go towards your neck, towards your face. Come down, exhale, and you should be feeling already warm in your body and no more cold anymore. Now we are going to do full wheel, and that is really going to heat up your body tremendously. So bring your hands under your shoulders, feet about hip wide apart. Then inhale, push with your hands, adjust and all the way. Hold for between 5 seconds to up to 20 seconds, depends on how strong you feel at that moment. Come down whenever you need. And you could repeat this full bridge or chakrasana for between 5 to up to 10 times, and it will increase your heat in the body. You will no longer feel cold. Now feet together and drop your knees out. Bring your hands up and relax for about 10 seconds in this asana. Good. Gently open your eyes and sit up. Sitting into nice, comfortable position. Your back, neck and spine is straight. Hands onto your knees. For a few moments, become aware of your body and the breath movement into the body. See how your breathing coming in and how it's going out. How this breathing process is helping you to stay healthy, alive, and active. This breathing is very important, and today we will use this breathing, heat up our body for this winter. to enjoy this winter. Let's take a few long deep breaths into your abdomen to prepare for the breathing process. Inhale into your abdomen long, stomach rises, and breathing out, stomach falls, breathe in, breathing out, a long inhalation, long exhalation, a deep inhalation, a long exhalation, deep inhalation, long exhalation, good. Now let's prepare for some stronger breathing process that is going to fight the cold or the winter. So breathing into your abdomen, breathing out, Kapalbhati, breathing in, and begin. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Repeating one more time. Inhale, exhale. Now inhale deeply into your abdomen and begin the Kapalbhati pumping. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Now become aware how these Kapalbhati pumping helping you to heat up your body. No more feeling of cold. One last time, Kapalbhati, breathing in into your abdomen, breathing out, a long deep breath in, breathing out. Now breathing deeply into your abdomen and beginning the Kapalbhati pumping. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. And now we will do fire breathing. So for that, bring your hands by the side of your shoulders with your palm into fist. Then you inhaling, bringing your hands up, exhaling, bringing your hands down. We will do about 20 pumpings, 20 breathings. So one normal breathe into your abdomen and completely breathe out. Now begin inhale, exhale. Exhale and release. Keep your breathing normal now. Become aware of your body, how your body begins to vibrate. The warmth rises and feeling of cold go away. We will do one more time, fire breathing. This time you're going to have your hands at your heart center, this way. You're going to inhale, open your arms, exhale, close. Inhale, exhale, okay? Close your eyes. Take a normal deep breath into your abdomen. Complete breathe out and begin. Bring your hands onto the knees once again. Close your eyes and become aware of your body. Gently rub your palm together. Bring your palm onto your eyes, onto your face. Give warmth to your eyes and face. Gently give thanks to the yoga and keep enjoying the winter. Namaste.